Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to turbocharge a Ford Ranger. First, ensure your engine is in good health and compatible with forced induction. You'll need to consider the specific engine model and its ability to handle increased power. Gathering all the right tools and safety gear is crucial for a smooth and safe installation process. This preparation will save you time and prevent potential issues down the road. Next, let's look at the core components. A quality turbo kit typically includes the turbocharger, exhaust manifold, downpipe, and an intercooler. Begin by mounting the new exhaust manifold and turbocharger. Then, connect the downpipe to the turbo. The intercooler is vital for cooling the air, so ensure its piping is correctly routed and sealed. Proper connections are key for efficiency and reliability. With the hardware in place, focus on fuel and tuning. You'll need larger fuel injectors and a more robust fuel pump to supply enough fuel under boost. An aftermarket engine management system is essential for custom tuning, optimizing air-fuel ratios and ignition timing. For significant power gains, reinforcing internal engine components like pistons and connecting rods might be necessary to handle the increased stress. Finally, it's time for testing and ongoing maintenance. Start with low boost runs, carefully monitoring all engine parameters to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Professional dyno tuning is highly recommended to safely extract maximum power and ensure engine longevity. Remember, regular maintenance, including oil changes and checking for leaks, is even more critical with a turbocharged engine. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.